Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study making a bill. This is another part of our chapter money. What is a bill? A bill is a written statement showing the money that we owe to someone for goods or services that we receive at the time we buy anything from a shop. That means when we go to market to purchase some items, then shopkeeper gave us a slip. In that slip our thing is mentioned like this. That means name of that shop, then serial numbers, items, which are the items, then number of items, that is quantity, then rate, what is the cost of each item, or 1 kg of each cost of 1 kg, like that. Then amount, then what is the amount, then at last you find the total amount. These all are mentioned in that slip. That slip is known as what? Bill. Okay. When I go to the market, I have purchased some items. So here I am going to show you. The first one is one noodles packet, okay, which I have purchased, and the cost of this noodles packet is, here you listen, here is one RS and 58 and dot 00 is there. Okay, you can see the symbol of rupees, otherwise RS. Here is RS and its amount. So rupees 58 is the price of this noodles. I will write the quantity, means how many items I have purchased. I have purchased one item. So I will write 1 under the quantity, 1 noodle. So I will write here 1. Then, and its amount, what is the rate of this one quantity? That is rupees 58. So here you write rupees 58. Okay. And under the cost, here you write cost or rate. Here you write 58 and 0.00. That means this dot represent Then I have purchased some biscuits. That means 3 packets of biscuits. Then what is the cost of each packet? Here MRP. In that packet there is one letter MRP and 1 rupee symbol is there. Then 30.00. This is the cost of this packet of biscuit. That means rupees 30. Cost of each packet of this big biscuit is 30. This type of how many packets are there? 3. So in quantity, here under quantity, here you write 3 packets of biscuits. Then rate per item, that means cost of each item is rupees 30. Then 00, that means 30 rupees. Then I have purchased 2 packets of chili powder. 2 packets of chili powder. Then cost of each packet of this chili powder is here. Here you listen. 1 RS and 26.00. So what is the cost of this 1 packet of chili powder? Rupees 26. This type of how many packets? 2 packets. So in quantity, here you write 2. Then what is the cost of each packet? rupees 26. Then I have purchased 2 soaps, 2 Dettol soaps. Then cost of one soap. Here is a rupees, RS is there, 1 dot, then 40.00. That means cost of each soap is 40 rupees. This type of how many soaps? Is 2. So in quantity, here you write 2, then cost of each soap is 40 rupees. Okay. Then what is our next step? Next step is find the amount of these items. How will you find this amount? Here 1 packet of noodles are there. Noodles packet is there. So 1 into 58. So what is the amount here? Rupees 58. Then our next item. How many packets of biscuits are there? 3 packets. Each cost 30 rupees. So what is the total amount? 30 into 3. 30, there is no paisa is there. So you just multiply 30 into 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 threes are 9. So what is the amount of that biscuits? Rupees 90. Then which is our third item? Chili powder. Each cost rupees 26. Then what is the cost of 2 packets? Yes, you multiply these two numbers. 26 into 2. That is 26 into 2. 6 2s are 12. Carry 1 over here. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So what is the cost here? Rupees 52. Rupees 52. Then our last item, soap. Each cost 40 rupees. This type of, how many number of soaps? 2. So you multiply these two items. 40 into 2. What is 40 into 2? 40 into 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 fours are 8. So in amount, here you write 80. Okay. Then what is our last step? Last step, you add that given amount. That is the total amount. Here all zeros are there. So 0, 0. 0 paise. Then you add the rupees part. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 0. Carry 1 over here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8 is 28. So, what is the total amount? Total amount is 280. Okay. So, total amount which I need to pay the shopkeeper is rupees 280. This is all about the bill. Okay. Here we can see an example of bill. As you can see, this is the name of that shop and here is date of the day. Okay. Then which are the items mentioned here? In this bill, everything is mentioned there. That is serial number is there, description, that means items, name of each items, then quantity, rate or cost of each items, then here is the total amount. At last, here is one total amount also there. So This is an example of bill.